Welcome back, Lena girls over there. Davey D in the place to be over here. Time for some shakas and shoutouts. First of all, shakas and shoutouts to Kumu Meleanna Meyer, the multimedia artist, visual poet, published author, and filmmaker, and just all-around mana wahine. Today, her large-scale art installation, you're seeing it on the screen right here, was dedicated and activated at Honolulu, Hale.
Umekela'au is part of Hawaii Triennial 2025, Hawaii's largest thematic exhibition of contemporary art from Hawaii, the Pacific, and beyond. Kumu Meleanna's sculptural calabash symbolizes care and cultural practice.
You know, the precious bowl, which spans 22 feet in diameter, holds space for people to gather, have meaningful exchanges and conversations about difficult subjects.
Umekela'au, constructed collaboratively by Kumu Meleanna along with artists and students in the community, also allows visitors to experience art as a form of medicine and healing. Look at that. Just beautiful when the sun was just pushing through the windows and just lighting up the Umekela'au. It was just gorgeous, a beautiful moment.
Definitely a ho'ailona, and you can see Kumu Myers in the Umekela'au holding, just a session.
Space.
So we didn't want to bother her, but that was just chicken skin right there. Mahalo, Kumu Meleanna Meyer. All right, shakas and shoutouts to bingo players out there. A little history on bingo. It's the original Italian lottery that was first played in 1530, made its way to America with early migrants and became popular in the early 1900s.
You know, it's pretty popular in the islands too. In fact, here's an early heads up. The first Bingo Blast of 2025 will be featured event at the Kaunoa Clubhouse in the Lahaina Civic Center Social Hall on Tuesday, February 25th.
The Lahaina Kaunoa Clubhouse will be open from 9 a.m. to noon for those ages 55 and older. And here's a bonus, sis. Refreshments will be provided.
Nums. To register, call 808-270-7308 and select option 3.
All right. Finally, shakas and shoutouts to Mahina Olelo, Hawaii. Of course, we're celebrating all month long with a mana'o moment.
Kamehameha School student Kamaha'o Haumea-Thronas joins us once again with a Hawaiian word of the day, plus the mana'o or thought behind it. Kamaha'o.
Aloha mai kākou, I'm Kamaha'o Haumea-Thronas. Are you makaukou for today's mana'o moment? Great, let's hit it. Today you'll learn the hua'olelo for eyeglasses. The word is maka'aniani. Now if that's a little hard to remember, this might help. Maka means eye and aniani means crystal. So think about the glass or the crystal in front of your eyes. Maka'aniani. Now, if la means sun, how would you say sunglasses? If you said maka'aniani la, you would be right. The eyeglasses that shields your eyes from the sun. How's that? So when the sun comes out, don't forget to put on your maka'aniani la. Ea o mai I ka olelo Hawaii, olelo mai, alaila ho'i mai. Learn Hawaiian, speak it, and then come back for another mana'o moment on Island Life Live.
He's so good fun.
I love the maka'aniani la. That is classic.
I was not prepared for that. So cute. and so Valentine's Eve too.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
So good. Thank you so much, Kamaha'o. All right, time for us to head on over to our Island News Desk to find out what's going on and the things you need to know with our sister Leui Koholokula. Hi, Lei.